Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to import tracks in Rekordbox. Firstly, launch the Rekordbox software on your computer. On the top of the bar, click File to open the drop-down menu. Choose between Import Track, Folder or Playlist, depending on what you're importing. A dialog box appears where you navigate your music files. Select the desired tracks and click Open. Redbox or Rekordbox, will now analyze the imported tracks, displaying a progress bar at the bottom of the screen. Once completed, you'll see the album art and waveform. Another method is dragging music files from the Finder or Explorer on Windows directly into Rekordbox. Select the desired files, drag them into the Rekordbox window, and release the mouse button, and they will be uploaded to your Rekordbox. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.